Why is antigenic shift more dangerous than antigenic drift? Imagine a virus that suddenly changes its appearance so drastically that your immune system no longer recognizes it. That's what happens during antigenic shift. This process causes a major, abrupt change in the influenza virus, creating a new version with surface proteins that the human immune system has never seen before. These surface proteins are called hemagglutinin and neuraminidase, and they are the main targets for our immune defenses. When these proteins change significantly, most people have no pre-existing immunity, making it easier for the virus to spread rapidly across populations. This can lead to widespread outbreaks or even global pandemics. In contrast, antigenic drift involves small, gradual changes in these surface proteins due to minor genetic mutations. These tiny shifts happen over time and allow the virus to partially evade immune responses. Because the changes are minor, our immune system can still recognize and fight the virus to some extent. That's why drift usually causes seasonal flu outbreaks, which are less severe and happen every year. To understand why shift is more dangerous, it helps to know how influenza viruses change. They have two key surface proteins, hemagglutinin and neuraminidase, which are what our immune system targets. When small mutations occur, it's called antigenic drift, and these accumulate slowly, making the virus slightly different each year. But during antigenic shift, two different influenza viruses infect the same host cell, often in animals like pigs, and exchange gene segments. This reassortment produces a completely new virus with novel surface proteins. Because humans have never encountered this new virus before, our immune defenses are ineffective, allowing the virus to spread unchecked. Historically, antigenic shift has caused some of the worst influenza pandemics, like the outbreaks in 1918, 1957, 1968, and 2009. These pandemics resulted in millions of infections and deaths worldwide. Meanwhile, antigenic drift is responsible for the regular seasonal flu that we see every year, which can be managed with annual vaccines. While antigenic shift is more dangerous, it is also much rarer. It requires specific conditions, such as co-infection with different viruses, successful gene reassortment, and the ability of the new virus to infect humans efficiently. Because of these factors, shifts happen less frequently but have a much larger impact when they do. In summary, antigenic shift is more threatening because it creates a completely new virus that the immune system cannot recognize, leading to rapid and widespread transmission. Antigenic drift causes smaller changes that the immune system can still handle, resulting in seasonal outbreaks. This difference in scale and immune evasion explains why shifts pose a greater risk to public health and can lead to global pandemics. Always remember, staying informed and following health guidelines can help protect you from influenza and its more severe forms. If you have concerns about influenza or vaccines, consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice.